Modern vehicles are packed with advanced electronics, making a professional car scanner more important than ever. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, workshop owner, or professional mechanic, the right diagnostic tool can save time, money, and frustration. From reading fault codes to advanced ECU coding and bidirectional controls, today's scanners offer powerful features once limited to dealerships. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best professional car scanners of 2026. We researched features, performance, and user feedback to build this list. Check the links in the description for pricing and details. Let's get started. Number 5. KINGBOLEN K7 Professional Car Scanner. The KINGBOLEN K7 is a feature-packed diagnostic scanner designed for comprehensive vehicle diagnostics. It supports full system scanning, ECU coding, active tests, and an impressive collection of 28 reset functions. One of its biggest advantages is the lifetime free software update service, helping users stay current without extra costs. Compatible with a wide range of vehicle brands, it delivers accurate fault detection and maintenance functions. With wireless connectivity and a user-friendly interface, this scanner is ideal for workshops and advanced DIY users seeking dealership-level capabilities. Number 4. ANCEL VD700 Professional OBD2 Scanner. The ANCEL VD700 is specifically designed for Volkswagen Group vehicles, including Audi, Seat, Skoda, and VW models. It provides full system diagnostics, along with essential maintenance functions such as oil reset, EPB reset, SAS calibration, and TPMS services. The scanner quickly reads and clears fault codes while offering live data monitoring for accurate troubleshooting. Its intuitive menu system makes operations simple, even for less experienced users. If you primarily work on VAG vehicles, the VD700 delivers excellent value and reliable performance at an affordable price. Number 3. OTOFIX D1 Lite Bidirectional Scan Tool. The OTOFIX D1 Lite combines professional-grade diagnostics with advanced bidirectional control functions. It supports full system scanning, active testing, FCA SGW access, CAN-FD, and DOIP protocols, making it compatible with many modern vehicles. The bidirectional capability allows technicians to command vehicle components directly for faster diagnostics and verification. With 2 years of free updates included, users gain access to the latest vehicle coverage and features. Its fast processing speed, wireless operation, and comprehensive diagnostic tools make it a strong choice for professional repair environments. Number 2. Foxwell GT60 Professional Diagnostic Scanner. The Foxwell GT60 offers extensive vehicle coverage and more than 24 maintenance and reset functions, including ABS, SAS, TPMS, and service resets. Bluetooth connectivity enhances convenience by allowing flexible operation without cumbersome cables. It provides full system diagnostics with detailed fault code analysis and real-time data monitoring. The large touchscreen interface is responsive and easy to navigate, helping users diagnose issues efficiently. Whether you're maintaining personal vehicles or working in a repair shop, the GT60 delivers a powerful combination of functionality, reliability, and ease of use. Number 1. Launch X431 Pro Elite Professional Car Scanner. Taking the top position is the Launch X431 Pro Elite, one of the most capable professional diagnostic tools available today. It supports all system diagnostics, ECU coding, bidirectional controls, CAN-FD, DOIP, and FCA-compatible vehicle access. This scanner delivers advanced dealership-level functions that help technicians perform in-depth troubleshooting, programming, and maintenance procedures. The wireless design, extensive vehicle coverage, and regular software updates make it suitable for both independent repair shops and professional technicians. If you want maximum capability, versatility, and long-term value, the X431 Pro Elite stands out as the best choice. A professional car scanner can dramatically improve diagnostic accuracy and reduce repair time. These 5 models offer powerful features, ranging from basic maintenance functions to advanced ECU coding and bidirectional testing. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a professional technician, there's an option here to fit your needs. Which scanner would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technology and automotive reviews.